Hey viewers, welcome to our channel Self-Help Atmanirbhar. My name is Rohit and today I am going to discuss about a book named The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. The not so obvious secret guaranteed to transform your life before 8 am. My purpose to discuss about this book is here that how you can change your life and can improve to better by practicing this morning routine advised by Hal. Believe me, it works wonder and I am seeing the improvement in my life. How you wake up in the morning to affect your entire day. If you begin your morning with momentum, you can keep that for the rest of the day. So, Hal created a morning routine that he calls the Miracle Morning, which helps you to start your day with full motivation and enthusiasm. But before we get to the routine, you need to wake up first, and we all know how hard that is in the morning. The old saying, you snooze, you lose. It has a very deeper meaning than any of us have realized. When you delay in waking up until you absolutely have to, even knowing that it is resisting the progress of your life. So here are a few tips that how you can resist to press the snooze button. Move alarm across the room. This forces body movement and motion creates energy, so it helps you to wake up. However, you will still likely be feeling sleepy, so brush your teeth. The point is that you are doing a minor activity in first 2 minutes and simply giving your body time to wake up. And since you are in washroom already, splash some water on your face. It will wake you up even further. Drink a glass of water. After 6 to 8 hours without water, you will be naturally dehydrated, and the dehydration causes fatigue. The objective here is to rehydrate your body and mind as fast as possible, to replace the water you have been deprived of during over the hours you slept. Alright, so now you are up. What next? How do you have successful morning? Enter Lifesavers. S stands for silence, A stands for affirmations, V stands for visualization, E stands for exercise, R stands for reading and S stands for scribe. For silence, you can either do meditation or just have a deep breathing while you let your mind wander. It will help you to clear your head of the negative thoughts and reduce stress. Just do it for 5 minutes and work your way up. But make sure you don't do it on bed. We don't want you to sleep again. A stands for affirmations. Your self-talk has a dramatic influence on your mood. When you design and write out affirmations aligned into what you want to accomplish and commit to repeat them daily, they make an impression on your subconscious mind. You can overcome your limiting beliefs and behaviors and replace with those you need to succeed. Here is an example. If you want to lose weight, your affirmation might look something like this. I am 100% committed to going to gym 5 days a week and running on the treadmill for 20 minutes. The more specific the action, the better. Customize them to your needs and also feel free to add some inspirational quotes in. Visualization. Visualizing your goals and dreams is believed by some experts to attract the vision in your life. Whether or not you believe on the law of attraction, the law of attraction works continuously. Visualization lifts up your spirit and emotions and push you towards your vision. It can be a powerful tool to overcoming self-limiting habits, such as procrastination. Exercise. Morning exercise should be a staple in everyone's daily routine. When you exercise, even for a few minutes every morning, it significantly boosts your energy and mental clarity. Every morning you get your heart rate up and fill lungs with oxygen. Whether you do some yoga or go for a walk or run, it is up to you. I personally like to do some stretching and yoga. Reading. Whatever you want in your life, there are countless books available which will guide you to get it. The key here is to learn from experts, those who have already done what you want to do. With an almost infinite number of books available on every topic, there are no limits of knowledge you can gain through daily reading. I recommend making a commitment to read at least 10 pages per day. Let's do some math here. Reading 10 pages per day equals 3650 pages per year, which equates approximately 18 books of 200 pages per year. So 10 pages a day, 18 books per year. I guarantee that if you start reading today, you will see major improvements in your life. Scribing. Scribing is just another word for writing. You can write about anything. You can have a dream journal, write about your goals and plans and lesson learned and so on, or anything you would like to focus in your life. Writing will help you to capture ideas. The process of something writing down forces us to think enough to understand it better. You can do each activity as long as you wish, but try not to exceed 1 hour to your morning routine. Try to implement some of the ideas talked about in this video and customize the savers for your needs. These principles I am telling from the book The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. And if you want to read this book in more detail, I have given the link in the description. Alright friends, thank you very much for listening. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe our channel.